Hey guys, welcome. This is Trade Data. So I'm not really feeling very fine today. So I'll just share my view on the current market. I'm supposed to do this video yesterday, but I was I was not very strong. So let me just try to do it today. Try and make it very short. So no much wasting of time. So right now for the dollar index, uh, as of last week I was looking for shorts, but I did not really see, some signatures or some confluences. Did not really overlap. So, with the way the dollar index is going right now, I'm not really sure it would reach for this level. If you ask me, I'm not really sure it will reach for this level. And given what's happened to the oil market right now, the way the oil is, uh, the way the oil market is just running to the upside right now, I think it's already close to levels at which at levels at I think as at May, no, not in May, last month, early June. That's those levels. That's where we are now. It's at a level where it can really cause chaos in the market. So probably I've not really looked at it. Probably right now, short-term interest rates for the yields it's already pushing to the upside. And with the way things are right now, it seems dollar wants to grind all the way to this high here. Yeah. So maybe want to grind all the way to this higher. That's what I'm looking at right now because currently right now Trump and Iran, I think they're about going into a war again. There's tension right now, and it's as if it's as if the ceasefire is over right now because even the UK Prime Minister has given some of his bases to the US for strikes. So the way things are right now, dollar index is likely continue pushing to the upside. Let me go to the weekly, pushing to the upside. So where things are, expect the dollar index to close above this high this month of July. That's what I'm expecting. I'm still monitoring it so I can cash a very good price action, that is in volatility. Because if you look at this, I don't want to waste time in this video, but I'm just quickly do this. If you look at this dollar index now, after this drop initially, you start seeing some upside somewhere, bullish candle to the upside. This is the daily time frame. So let's go to the positioning data for the dollar index. But as at last week, it seems like they've been holding this long. I think as at last week, about the open interest was 17.77. We had some. This is not. It's not enough for me to call it a trim of position because just about 0.42% that was taken off. So what I think is, even though it's bullish crowded, that doesn't mean the dollar will not continue pushing to the upside. So a market that is stretched long can still continue going long. Positioning that is stretched short can continue going short. It happens like that. I think that's what we're going to see in this market. So what I'm saying, trying to interpret from this level here is this current price action is after this drop. I think these bullish candles to the upside, is accumulation, form of accumulation. So All I'm expecting is for the dollar to just to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. Yeah. So in return, the euro by this if this by risk management is if you want it, I'll drop it the for MT5, I'll drop the link for you to get it in the comment section. This risk manager is very good. It increases my trading 10 times faster. I don't have to start calculating lot size, start calculating stop loss. I just place my entry levels, my take profit, and my stop loss, and my risk amount. Sometimes I risk $50. Sometimes I risk $50 just to get a feel of that trade. Then my most risk 2,000, 3,000. Sometimes I even risk 190. Then 5,000, 4,000. Maybe if I'm holding a long, a swing trade now, I'm in profit, then maybe you can add some a lot additional money to that trade as well. So this is what I'm looking at. Let me close this. So for so what I'm saying is this: since we're looking for buys, the dollar index, then you can say the euro downside. Yeah, we'll say the euro to the downside. So who knows? Maybe we're in a set program. So yeah, because normally after taking a swing low like this, retracement, you're supposed to see some retracement, but since we are not seeing it, and the market is staying in this range, very likely that what they are what taking off their loans. That is, I don't like explaining all this because it's complicated. A lot of people might not understand. So those traders that were long here, institutions that were long here, they are what they are mitigating. So if they finish and they begin to sell those their long positions, might just you see this market just drop. And looking at the dollar index, we're already seeing accumulation. Yes, yeah, you get me. So what you just have in mind is that right now it's best to look for buy in the dollar index rather than looking for shorts. So which is in the same way best to look for shorts in the euro dollar rather than looking for longs. But those of you that are breakout traders, better you wait. You can break out this level then yeah, the confirmation is very strong. So going to the Nasdaq, yeah. So from what we understand from the dollar index and the current situation right now between Trump and Iran, I think since the last 2 weeks, I've been saying, since last week, I've been saying, if you are trying to, if you are trying to buy this Nasdaq or the S&P, it's not really good at all. It's not a good call. You won't get decent price action. So with everything going on, I'm looking towards short the Nasdaq, but I won't try to cash the reversal right now. It's already at equilibrium, so I won't try to cash it. I will just wait. We already have a shift market structure here. So maybe I might sell in the AM session. I might sell in the AM session. So what I'm looking for right now, signatures for the Nasdaq. I think we already have semiconductor weighing on it. They already have the tension, the war. We have the interest, short-term interest rate. Yes. So the Nasdaq right now should be dropping. It should be dropping right now. So looking at it, you can see there's liquidity here, form of the color, which is says set stop liquidity proof, set side liquidity proof that in this one because I think right now a lot of double bottom or double top traders they are buying this right now. So what I'm expecting is that market will from here will drop what volatility. Yeah, to drop here. It will drop in momentum to this level. To this level. And if you look, there are lots of pockets of price action to be traded. So maybe we can swing this trade. But it's messy because it's messy trying to swing it. Why? Because uh, uh it's based on short-term macro events like the semiconductor and the war. These are something that can really just happen in the short term. Understand? Yeah. So you just have to be careful. The best thing is to not trade it. They trade it like scalping. That's just the best thing right now to trade in Nasdaq. So that's all for me. So I'm just waiting for some specific signatures for me to short the Nasdaq. I'll let it just drop to this low. Then I might take partial. I'll just rather close my full position. So for that's all from my side. So for those of you who wants to join my channel, I'll drop the link in the comment section as well. And for the EA as well, I'll also drop it the link. Very very good EA, very very good. So that's all. I wish you guys good trade. Please be careful from these times. The market is really really messy, really really messy.